And make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day.
Step into the heart of Manchester at night on this 200th Nightlife walk. The city pulses with life as locals and visitors fill bars, streets, and venues with laughter and music. Every neighborhood has its own personality, from the creative vibes of the Northern Quarter to the lively energy of Dean's Gate. Hidden gems, street performances, and iconic landmarks await exploration. This walk captures Manchester's unique mix of history, modern culture, and nightlife excitement. Whether you're here for cocktails, music, or just the atmosphere, join us on this journey through the city after dark, where every street has a story. Manchester's nightlife is an intricate tapestry of sound, light, architecture, culture, and human energy. A city that awakens as dusk falls and every street, alley, square, and canal transforms into a living stage of nocturnal experiences. Beginning at Piccadilly Gardens, where fountains shimmer under illuminated streetlights, crowds gather in groups, couples stroll hand in hand, and solo wanderers contemplate the night ahead, while street performers captivate with music, juggling, and theatrical acts, and the aroma of street food, freshly brewed coffee, and baked goods mingles with the distant hum of trams and urban activity, creating a multi-layered urban symphony that sets the tone for the evening, drawing people into the heart of the city's social rhythm. Moving northward, the Northern Quarter reveals its creative core, with narrow streets and alleyways adorned with colorful murals, graffiti, and neon signage that reflect Manchester's bohemian identity. While independent cafes, vintage shops, boutique bars, and live music venues provide a wide array of experiences ranging from artisanal cocktails and international cuisine to browsing unique retail finds and attending intimate performances, acoustic sets, and experimental shows, producing a rich sensory environment that engages locals, students, tourists, and artists alike. With every corner radiating a blend of artistic energy, social vibrancy, and cultural expression, historic pubs such as the Old Wellington, the Marble Arch, and the Britain's Protection ground the city's nightlife and tradition, offering warm, wood-paneled interiors, vintage decor, dim lighting, craft Irish cocktails, and traditional British fare, while live music spanning jazz, folk, rock, and indie provides a dynamic soundtrack for conversation, laughter, and camaraderie, and these venues serve as bridges between past and present, maintaining Manchester's heritage even as modern programming, including themed nights, trivia events, and open mic performances, ensures a constantly evolving and engaging nightlife landscape. Canal Street stands as a hallmark of inclusivity, diversity, and celebration, its rainbow-colored neon lights reflecting on the canal waters, illuminating a vibrant crowd enjoying one of the UK's most iconic LGBTQ+ nightlife districts, where bars, clubs, and lounges host high-energy dance floors, intimate seating areas, and outdoor terraces. DJs mix electronic, pop, and classic hits, and the canal's gentle flow provides a serene contrast to the pulsating energy of the streets, crafting an atmosphere that epitomizes freedom, self-expression, and social connection, welcoming locals and visitors alike to engage fully in the city's nocturnal culture. Deansgate Locks offers a contemporary, industrial-chic nightlife experience, with glass facades, ambient lighting, outdoor terraces, and interior spaces alive with music, laughter, and conversation, patrons enjoying craft cocktails, global cuisines, and social interaction while discovering hidden corners, alleyways, and art installations that fuse the city's industrial past with modern design, creating an immersive environment that stimulates both visual and auditory senses and makes each step a continuation of the urban adventure. Spinningfields presents Manchester's upscale nightlife, featuring rooftop bars with panoramic city views, lounges offering curated music experiences, and fine dining venues providing sophisticated culinary offerings, patrons sipping cocktails and engaging in conversation, absorbing the refined ambience and observing the surrounding urban spectacle. exemplifying the city's ability to accommodate diverse nightlife tastes while maintaining a cohesive cultural vibrancy. Interspersed among high-energy districts are serene spaces such as canal-side walkways, hidden gardens, and quiet terraces where reflections of neon lights shimmer on water and distant music hums softly, offering moments of contemplation and calm, reminding visitors that Manchester nightlife encompasses both excitement and tranquility, with architecture, streetscapes, and public spaces contributing equally to the nocturnal experience. Oxford Road transforms at night into a corridor of energy, lined with bars, music venues, cafes, and eateries, including venues tucked beneath railway arches like Gorilla, where live music, DJ sets, and intimate performances attract diverse crowds. Merging historic architecture with contemporary neon signage and glass design to create visually stimulating streetscapes. Chinatown offers another cultural dimension, with illuminated archways, bustling streets, and late-night Asian dining options ranging from traditional dim sum to modern fusion, while nearby intimate lounges provide quieter spaces with curated music, soft lighting, and comfortable seating, contrasting the high-energy environments elsewhere and adding variety to the nocturnal journey. The interplay of streets, alleys, squares, and hidden corners ensures continuous discovery, with pop-up performances, food stalls, architectural details, and reflections on wet pavements contributing to a multisensory, immersive experience, while the diverse crowds of locals, tourists, students, and professionals enhance the vibrancy, creating an ever-evolving urban environment. Manchester's music scene, a core element of its nightlife, spans genres and scales from intimate jazz bars to large clubs hosting electronic, indie, pop, and alternative performances, ensuring that every visitor finds a resonant musical environment, with live performances, DJ sets, and ambient soundscapes layering auditory experiences that blend seamlessly with urban noises, laughter, and conversation. Culinary offerings complement the nightlife, with late-night eateries, street food vendors, and fine dining options providing global flavors, while historic pubs maintain continuity through local hours, menus, and decor, blending heritage with modern tastes. As the night progresses, clubs reach peak energy with pulsating beats, laser lights, LED displays, immersive audio-visual setups, crowded dance floors, VIP areas, and outdoor terraces providing social spaces and scenic views, while the streets outside remain alive with pedestrians, performers, and urban activity, creating a continuous, dynamic flow. Inclusivity defines the city's nightlife, embracing diverse identities, sexual orientations, cultures, and age groups, ensuring that every visitor feels welcome, while the continuous interplay of light, sound, architecture, people, and culinary experiences produces a rich nocturnal tapestry, from neon reflections on streets and water to music spilling from venues, laughter blending with urban soundscapes, and each district contributing distinct energy to the overarching experience. Historic and modern venues coexist harmoniously, balancing tradition with creative innovation, where stories, performances, and imaginative programming enrich the city's cultural narrative, illustrating how nightlife is both entertainment and cultural expression. Moments of reflection appear along canals, terraces, and quiet streets, where visitors can absorb Manchester's multifaceted character, appreciating the combination of architectural beauty, historic continuity, musical diversity, and culinary richness, while witnessing the interplay of human connection, creativity, and urban design that defines the city at night. Ultimately, Manchester nightlife represents the convergence of history, culture, gastronomy, music, architecture, and social interaction, offering fully immersive experiences that engage all senses, foster connection, and leave lasting memories, as every street, alley, and square contributes to an overarching narrative of vibrancy, inclusivity, diversity, and energy, transforming the night into a continuous adventure. Every corner telling a story, and the city itself standing as a living, breathing celebration of life after dark, a metropolis whose heartbeat is inseparable from the rhythm, color, and vibrancy of its nightlife, leaving visitors with unforgettable impressions of a city that never truly sleeps, whose streets, venues, and canals continue to tell stories of creativity, connection, an adventure for all who explore its nocturnal wonders. That's a wrap on tonight's Manchester nightlife adventure. The city's music, lights, and lively streets make every step memorable. Like, share, and subscribe to follow our journey. Join us next time as we uncover hidden gems, iconic bars, and neon-lit corners that showcase Manchester after dark.